Welcome to this tutorial on how to use the Dave app for early payday. The Dave app is a financial service that allows users to receive their paycheck up to 2 days early, helping to alleviate financial stress and avoid overdraft fees. To get started, you need to download and install the Dave app from the App Store. Once installed, create an account by providing some basic information such as your name, email address, and password. You will also need to link your bank account to the app, which is a secure and straightforward process. After setting up your account, you need to connect your payroll and employer information to the app. This will allow Dave to track your income and provide you with early access to your paycheck. You can do this by searching for your employer in the app and following the prompts to connect your payroll. Once your payroll is connected, you can set up direct deposit to receive your paycheck through the Dave app. This will allow you to receive your paycheck up to 2 days early, giving you faster access to your money. You can also track your account balance and spending in real time, helping you stay on top of your finances. One of the key benefits of using the Dave app is that it helps you avoid overdraft fees. The app will alert you if you are at risk of overdraft and offer to advance you funds to cover the overdraft, saving you from expensive fees. You can also use the app to budget and track your expenses, helping you stay within your means and achieve your financial goals. To use the early payday feature, simply go to the app and request an advance on your paycheck. The app will then deposit the funds into your account, giving you early access to your money. You can use these funds to cover expenses, pay bills, or simply build up your savings. In conclusion, using the Dave app for early payday is a straightforward and secure process. By following these steps and using the app's features, you can gain faster access to your paycheck, avoid overdraft fees, and take control of your finances. Remember to always use the app responsibly and within your means, and you will be on your way to achieving financial stability and security.